Have you ever leaned your head back in a car, adjusted the headrest, and wondered, why is this even here? It doesn't make your seat more comfortable. In fact, most headrests push your head forward at an awkward angle. You've probably tried to turn it around or remove it altogether. But here's something you didn't know. That uncomfortable headrest isn't designed for comfort. It's designed to save your neck, literally. So what exactly are headrests for? Why are they tilted forward at such an annoying angle? And what does a 1980s study about rear-end collisions have to do with a feature most drivers secretly hate? Today, we're going to find out. Right here on Story of Simple Things. To understand headrests, we first have to go back to the 1960s. Back then, cars were getting faster, roads were getting busier, and rear-end collisions were becoming a serious problem. When a car hit you from behind, your body lurched forward, but your head stayed where it was. Then your head snapped backward, then it whipped forward again. That rapid back-and-forth motion was called whiplash, and it was ruining thousands of lives. Doctors saw patients with chronic neck pain, permanent spine damage, and even traumatic brain injuries, all from low-speed fender benders. Car manufacturers had seatbelts for front crashes. They had airbags for side impacts. But for rear-end collisions, they had almost nothing. So researchers went to work. They studied crash after crash, frame by frame. And they discovered something surprising. If you could stop the head from snapping backward, you could prevent most whiplash injuries. The solution was deceptively simple: a padded restraint placed directly behind your head. But here's the part most people don't know. Early headrests were nothing like what you see today. In the 1950s, luxury cars like Cadillac offered headrests as an optional extra. They were called head restraints, but they were too low, too soft, and completely useless in a crash. They were designed for comfort, not safety. You could lean back and relax. But if you got hit from behind, your head would snap right over them. They didn't help at all. It wasn't until the 1970s that safety experts realized the problem. Headrests needed to be higher, they needed to be firmer, and they needed to be closer to your head. In 1969, the United States government finally passed a law requiring headrests in all new cars. Europe followed soon after. But here's the strange part. Car manufacturers didn't want to do it. They argued that headrests were expensive, uncomfortable, and unnecessary. They even tried to design headrests that looked like comfort features: soft, low, and useless. Safety regulators had to fight for every inch. The result was the awkward forward-tilted headrest you see today. It's not bad design, it's intentional. The tilt is designed to catch your head earlier in the crash sequence. Studies found that reducing the gap between your head and the headrest by just a few centimeters could cut whiplash injuries in half. That's why modern headrests feel like they're pushing your head forward. They're not annoying you, they're protecting you. So the next time you adjust your headrest, remember this. The top of the headrest should be level with the top of your head. If it's too low, your head can snap over it. If it's too far back, it won't catch you in time. It's one of those features you've probably hated for years without ever knowing it was protecting you every single day. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe to Story of Simple Things, and tell me in the comments what simple thing should we uncover next. Thanks for watching.